Sunday. Back at it once again. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. All right, folks, we got a special one today. We're back out here at the Piney River. Got my guy Aaron with me, my nephew right here. He's about to learn how to fish. So we got a few of the essentials. Show him that pole right there you got. All right, so we got him to lose. Hold it up, hold it up. We got him to lose right here. This is the Laser Pro joint. This is a 610 medium fast rod right here. Zoom in so you guys can see that good stuff right here. Gave him a tackle box right here, as you guys can see. We're gonna start him out with some rooster tails. Got this juicy crankbait right here. Got some Ned rigs. Gonna teach him how to use those, more rooster tails. Of course, gotta have the Rebel Crawl. Got him some pliers right here, and he should be good to go. Are you ready to get out here and smack him?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it, man. All right, folks, let's get into it. Folks, first fish of the day. You guys didn't get to see it, that hook set, but I sight fished him right out of here. Little rock bass, he hit that Ned rig pretty hard. Peace out, buddy. What I want you to do is cast at the bottom of those trees right there and just reel it back across here. Stay out that tree. Hey, they chased you up. They chased you up. There's a bass right there. It chased him up. Yep. Reel. Come on. Put your rod down now. Put your, down more. Reel. Keep reeling. Yeah. They're chasing you. You caught a fish, bro. You caught a fish. Pull it in, reel 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 it in. This dude just caught his first fish.
Oh, that's so.
Whoa. Chill.
That's a big redfish.
Let me see.
That's cool, man.
Nice, bro.
That's cool.
Get your phone out. You take a picture of that.
Oh, now you want me to get my phone out?
Yeah, absolutely. Hurry up, too. Hold your pole.
Hold on. I got it.
Nice, bro.
Solid.
Nice, bro. That's a nice first catch.
Can I get some daps on this?
Yeah.
Give me some of my daps.
Yeah, man. Good job, bro. First fish.
Sure.
You want to take a picture with your hand in his mouth?
No. I don't.
I'm gonna count this as my fish when we get to the house. Come here. Smalley. Oh, no. I got you, buddy. Don't worry. No worries. All right, folks. Fish number 2 of the day. Little rock bass again. Appreciate him getting on. Peace out, buddy. Smashed him. Got him. Nice size rock bass too. Pretty guy. Folks, fish number 3 of the day. Another chunky little rock bass. Appreciate him getting on. He is a pretty guy. Fish number 3, folks. You see him on the Ned rig again. Peace. Yeah, look what he did to the Ned rig. Chomped it. Let's straighten that out. Wow. Rock bass. Fish number 4, folks. Appreciate him getting on today. Folks, you see him once again on the Ned rig. Chomped it up. You wanted that, didn't you, little fella? You were hooked too. There we go. All right, folks, this is a nice sized little rock bass. You guys see him? Appreciate him getting on. Fish number 4 today, folks. Come on now. Appreciate you. I'll take you. I'll take you, buddy. Thank you. Fish number, are you 5? I don't know, buddy. I think you are. Fish number 5, I believe. It's a rock bass, whatever number he may be. That bar about your face. Goodness, you ate that, bro. There you go. Uh-oh. Sorry. There you go. All right, guys. You see another little rock bass for the day. Appreciate this little tiny guy getting on. He tore it up, bro. Appreciate you, buddy. Peace out. Are you saying I should fish back here, universe? Is this what I'm being told? I'll take this as a sign. Luckily, God made a shortcut through here with me in mind. Skill. No, I just went around the backside of that stump. Probably wasn't the best move, but I want to catch another fish. It's the extremes that I go to. All right. Of course. Catch the biggest fish of the day behind me. Look at this. Thank you, God. Yeah, big rock bass. You see this? Big dark green rock bass. Oh, he snapped it up through his lip. Look. All right, folks, you see him? Another little rock bass, fish number 6 of the day. Appreciate him getting on behind that log right there. Beautiful little guy. Thank you so much. You see him? Aaron. You can't see him? You good.